So here's my outfit. This is my cropped argyle sweater from AliExpress. These are my high-waisted Zara jeans. These are the jeans that like every blogger owns. I don't know the style, but I'm gonna wear my Nike Air Force Ones with this look, and then my white headband.
I reckon I buy the drinks because I'm so keen on being late.
Oh my gosh. They've been watching Love Island, so they keep saying like keen. I don't watch that show. So we're gonna find a cafe. Guys, it is so freaking windy today. Like, it's so cold. That's why I had to put a hoodie on. Oh great. We're struggling to find a cafe. Oh my gosh, look at the cake. Oh,
I got a strawberry cake, but it's just an iron spinner, and me and Sydney got strawberry cake.
Okay guys, I need to show you something. Vasika, how tall are you?
Like 155. So
Okay.
5'1".
She's like 5'1". You're like 5'3", Sinead?
Yeah.
Okay, they're slouched, but watch Vasika sit up. Okay, that's as tall as Sinead can sit up. Sit up. Look, Vasika looks taller than Sinead. She has such a long torso. So Vasika looks taller than us when she's sitting down. We call her Slinky Dog.
Slinky slut.
I'm with Sinead, and this is Anne.
Hello. Wow, I look so Korean in that.
Anne really does look Korean. So we're in Hongdae, and we're actually trying to find, well, we put our name down for
This really good restaurant.
a really good restaurant. It's called Homeboy. It's American Chinese. They call it American Chinese, but it's really good. So we're gonna take Anne there. So we put our name on the wait list. So we're just kind of walking around the alleyways. There's so many cute cafes here, so we're definitely gonna check out a cafe after. And then Sinead wanted to get a pic, so we're gonna try and get a pic for her. So we're gonna try and check out this Thai restaurant because Homeboy is too crowded. It's a long wait. We're really hungry. It's cold. So this is their menu. You heard that? So it looks really delicious. So let's check it out and see if they have any seats for us.
Oh, the rainbow stairs.
Oh yay! They have a table. Shall you lead the way?
Yes. We wanted to go to this American Chinese restaurant, but when we got there, they made us wait because there's only like 2-person tables, and like we're a group of 3. We didn't want to wait because we were too hungry, so.
And I bet it still says 1.
Probably.
Yeah.
It's been less than an hour.
Yep.
I'm not gonna. Yeah. So we were like hangry, so we decided to come and get Thai food.
We did. Hello. Hello. This is the only way we can like all be in the shop.
What do you vlog with you doing this?
Look at my setup. I'm using Sinead's makeup bag as a tripod.
You know, my tripods are used just like cups.
Yeah, just like leaning
I
on
like lift right from the edge.
Yeah, because some people bring tripod and like,
I don't want to carry a lot of things.
Neither do I. They're so cute. They're so cute. So we're at this cafe. I think it's called Chloe. What is this cafe called?
Chloe in Paris?
Chloe in Paris? I don't know. But it's really cute. It has like this like Renaissance vintage vibe. So I ordered strawberry cake and a black sesame latte. Sinead, what did you order?
the same.
The same?
Oh, just the black sesame.
No cake? And what did you order?
Strawberry latte.
Strawberry latte. Our drinks have arrived. So these are me and Shane's black sesame lattes. And why are you vlogging? And this is her strawberry latte. That looks amazing. And then I got the strawberry cake. Oh my gosh. Before, look at Sinead's Lightroom magic. Before, after.
Yeah, this is Lightroom.
Lightroom's amazing. All right, we're gonna end the vlog. Anne is headed back to Daegu. That's where she lives. And me and Sinead have work tomorrow.
It's Monday.
It's Monday tomorrow, but it was really nice getting out. And the cafe we went to was so cute. It was like the perfect cozy vibes.
It's like a chill vibe.
Yeah, so we're gonna head home on the subway. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.